Your Majesty.
You gonna talk to me?
Just tell me where I can find this ogre.
You talk for hours on hours and hours and hours, and I turn the camera on and you just quit talking. I see you. Hi there, precious. Hi there. Do you see Mama? Let's see if we can set you up just a little bit. Okay. Alright, there we go. Is that better? Is that better? You can talk. Oh, now you're gonna get mad? Is you gonna get mad? Well, oh, don't get mad. I got your movie in. Oh yeah, smile. When the camera's not on your face, you're gonna smile.
Dad says I'm going away for a while. Must be like some finishing school. Mom says that when I'm old enough, my handsome Prince Charles will rescue me and my family. And we'll all live happily ever after.
Well, they ain't doing no good. You can't eat the couch. Are you getting hungry? Would you like something to eat?
No. I was just reading a scary book.